Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Notion. Sign in on desktop or in a browser so you have full settings. Once signed in, open Settings and Members from the left sidebar or the three-dot workspace menu, because mobile hides some controls. Then choose My Account to expose your name and profile fields. This is where you will change your display name. Begin by clicking the name field so it becomes editable, and prepare the exact name you want to use across workspaces. Now that the name field is editable, type your new display name exactly as you want it to appear. Make sure spacing, capitalization, and any special characters are correct because Notion mirrors this across comments and mentions. If you want a matching look, update your profile photo or pronouns while here. Once done, click Save Changes or press Enter. Give Notion a moment to sync. Name updates propagate to teammates, mentions, and activity logs. Complete the process by checking your new name in the members list, a comment, or a mention to confirm propagation. If the change doesn't appear right away, sign out and sign back in to force a sync. Caching often causes delays. If your name still won't update, make sure you change the correct account, personal versus workspace, and contact the workspace admin if name edits are restricted. As a last resort, submit a support request with a screenshot so the team.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.